Prizm Blaster 5-box PYT number 3. Not many left. I'm chilling. Getting ready for this exciting sports weekend. Might watch the fight tomorrow. Or not might, I will. I'll give you Memphis, that works. A couple people do card phenomenon, but I don't like it. Wyatt, it's crazy out here. It's way more crowded than it was pre-COVID. Now let's do a filler to kill it. We're gonna do a filler. Anybody else want a team? It's going to be 15 spots, $10 per top 8. It's better than a 50-50. 15 spots, $10 per top 8. Remaining teams in the Prizm Blaster PYT. $10 a spot, top 8. This will fill the break. We got to fill it to see it. Thank you, Will. Should probably clean up. The dust particles are getting me. We gotta fill this to see it. Iannucci from out of nowhere. We gotta fill this to see it. We're down to 12. Head the Sun from out of nowhere for 1. $11 left. This is happening. This is happening. It's only 10 per, and it's better than a 50-50 to get in. We got 11 left in the filler. This is definitely going. Charizard's the Mickey Mantle of Pokemon. Now we're comparing Pokemon to athletes.
Let's do it again. So the first one's in, and the last one's out. For every case of proper number 12 we sell, $5 go to first responders. Up to 1 million per year. Here's the top of it.
Jake Gommel for 2. We're at 9. 9 left now. Who else is out there? We're down in 9. We're going to sit here until this goes. I just can't get into Pokemon myself either. Who's taking the last 9? 9 left at 10 per to fill the blasters. We gotta fill this to see it.
Scotty, good time for his first hit. He's 0 for 3. Swing back to Scotty. 95 miles an hour from 10.
I think all the markets have taken like similar trends. I don't think anything's at peak right now anymore. Dustin, I heard they just print to order. They just keep making more.
Actually, we have color blast. Color blast! So I'm just going to let you know, I have a color blast. It's John Jones. It's PSA 10. So the color blast.
We're down to 9 in the filler. We gotta fill it to see it. If somebody wants to take all 9, I'll do it for 70.
I think the color blast is 1 out of every 10 pieces. There it is. Shadowing color blast. It will go with your auto.
I'll do all 9 for 70. The Blue Kato, we do a ton of breaks. A lot of breaks to get in. A lot of chances. All right, we're full. Joss Breakers is going to take all 9 for 70. Thank you, sir. Oh. Send. Everybody send. Ohtani hit one. It's the best player in the history of baseball. Literally. 436 feet. He's got to be the best player in the history of baseball. He's got to be. He's got to be the best player to ever play baseball. All right, let's run it. We're paid. Top 8 are getting a team. After 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Joss Breakers, you get the 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ed, you're in the 2, then Will. 7. Joss Breakers, you got the first pick. Ohtani's got to be the best player in the world. He's still young, though. He's pretty young. Ed, you got the second pick. Will. Joss Breakers, which team do you not want? You're not going to get one team. Which team is that? Yes, we're going to be doing a bunch more breaks after this. I think they need pitching. Their pitching is bad. Ricky Iannucci, you're getting the heat. Prizm Blasters. Neesmith rookie, Boston. We got a purple wave of Zion. Zion purple wave. Joss Breakers. Nice start to the break. We have PayPal, we have Cash App, we have Venmo. Vassell Instant Impact quickly for the Knicks. You can also pay through our website with card. Sadiq Bey Green for the Pistons. Nice hit, Jack Lee. Stewart rookie for the Pistons. Jersey of John Collins for Atlanta. Precious Emergent. Lou Williams silver and a Vernon Carey. Yeah, you had last pick. You got the heat. Tatum. Okoro Emergent Cleveland LeBron base. Purple Wave of Buddy Hield Sacramento. Kyra Lewis Instant Impact Pelicans. Dirk Nowitzki green for Dallas. Is that an auto? It is. Nico Mannion auto. Jimmy Fan and Golden State. Silver of Middleton, Bucks. Okoro Instant Impact. There's an Edwards base, Minnesota. Sekou Silver for the Pistons. Emergent of Anthony Edwards. Trey base. Thomas Bryant green, Washington. Jersey for the Heat of Chris Bosh. Malachi rookie for the Raptors. Marquise Chris Silver, Golden State. Two more boxes. Siakam Dominance. Lonzo Silver for the Pelicans. Caleb Martin rookie. Kaminsky green for the Suns. Jersey for Portland of CJ McCollum. Denny Advia base rookie for Washington. Finish it out. Silver of Josh Hart, Pelicans. Jalen Smith Instant Impact Silver for Phoenix. Purple Wave of Russell Westbrook for Houston. Green Instant Impact of Malachi. No, we didn't pull a Melo. Maladon for the Thunder, Durant. Porzingis green for Dallas. Kawhi jersey for the Clippers. The Claw. Silver of Goron and Ramsey. That's the break. Take your teams in 4. It's going to be up there. Putting up number 4. Pretty solid. Pretty solid.